Hi, friends. I'm Dala. Let's discover the amazing journey that water takes. This is a little drop of water. It lives in rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans all around the world. It loves to travel. When the sun shines warm and bright, the water warms up too. The little drop begins to float up, up into the sky. As it floats up, it turns into tiny, invisible bits of water called vapor. This is called evaporation. Evaporation is when water rises up into the air. High in the sky, many tiny vapor drops meet their friends. They cuddle together and make a big, fluffy cloud. That's how a cloud is made. When the cloud gets too full, the little drops can't hold on anymore. Drip, drop, down they fall. If the air is warm enough, they fall as rain. But if the air is very cold, they fall as snow. The raindrops land on the ground, in rivers, in lakes, in seas and oceans, and in puddles. The little drop is home again. And then the sun comes out again. The water warms up, floats up into the sky, forms clouds, and falls back down. This happens again and again and again. That's the water cycle. A never-ending journey for every little drop. Thanks for exploring with me today, friends. Let's meet again soon for another adventure. Bye-bye.